Hello. Today we're going to learn 7 to 8 romantic sentences or ways to express your love and affection in Urdu. Hello everyone. I'm Sara. On this channel, I teach Urdu as a second language. I made this channel in COVID and have been uploading a lot of videos ever since. If you want to have a private lesson, I teach privately as well. So most of my students are learning Urdu to talk to their partners, to their loved ones, to their in-laws, etc. I thought this video will be really useful because in this lesson, I'll teach you expressions to show your appreciation to your loved ones. Let's get started. The first one is मैं तुमसे मोहब्बत करती हूँ. मैं तुमसे मोहब्बत करती हूँ. This is a girl saying it because the suffix "ti" is telling us that it's a girl or a woman. मैं तुमसे मोहब्बत करती हूँ. I love you. मैं तुमसे मोहब्बत करती हूँ. If a man is saying it, he will say मैं तुमसे मोहब्बत करता हूँ. मैं तुमसे मोहब्बत करता हूँ. मैं तुमसे मोहब्बत करता हूँ. मैं is I. तुमसे means with you. मोहब्बत करता हूँ means do love. I do love with you. मैं तुमसे मोहब्बत करता हूँ. The verb here is मोहब्बत करना. मैं तुमसे मोहब्बत करता हूँ. It never hurts to give compliment to your significant other. So the next one is तुम बहुत हसीन हो. तुम बहुत हसीन हो. You're so pretty. Haseen is gorgeous or beautiful, like very beautiful. तुम बहुत हसीन हो or तुम हसीन हो. This is usually said to a female. For men, most of the time you say तुम बहुत handsome हो. तुम बहुत handsome हो. The word in Urdu is wajih. But normally in day-to-day language, we don't usually say this. We usually use the word handsome. तुम बहुत handsome हो. You're very handsome. तुम बहुत handsome हो. The next one is very, very affectionate. तुम मेरी जान हो. तुम मेरी जान हो. Jaan is life, the essence of a person. तुम मेरी जान हो means you're my life. तुम मेरी जान हो. Instead of Jaan, you can also say Zindagi. Tum meri zindagi ho. Meri is my here because Zindagi and Jaan both are feminine nouns. So, tum meri zindagi ho, tum meri jaan ho. And either of the genders can say that. Another compliment you can say is tum bahut achhi ho. Tum bahut achhi ho. You're so nice. You're so good. Tum bahut achhi ho. If you're saying that to a man, you'll say तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. So अच्छे is used with तुम here because it is still respectful, more respectful than the least formal pronoun tu. The least formal pronoun tu, which is you use अच्छा, but tum and aap is considered respectful compared to the least formal pronoun. A lot of students ask me this question and they say तुम बहुत अच्छा हो, but that's wrong. So तुम बहुत अच्छे हो is right. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. This is said to a man. So you want to spend your whole life with the person you love. To express that, you'll say मैं तुम्हारे साथ पूरी जिंदगी गुजारना चाहती हूँ. मैं तुम्हारे साथ पूरी जिंदगी गुजारना चाहती हूँ. तुम्हारे साथ means with you. तुम्हारे साथ. Puri means whole, the whole life. Puri zindagi. Guzarna is to spend or to pass. Guzarna. Chahti. Chahti means want to. It's a bit of a long sentence, I admit. So, मैं तुम्हारे साथ पूरी जिंदगी गुजारना चाहती हूँ. I want to spend the whole life with you. To spend is guzarna. If a man is saying it, he'll say मैं तुम्हारे साथ पूरी ज़िंदगी गुजारना चाहता हूँ. मैं तुम्हारे साथ पूरी ज़िंदगी गुजारना चाहता हूँ. चाहता, the ta suffix is telling us that a male subject is saying it. मैं तुम्हारे साथ पूरी ज़िंदगी गुजारना चाहता हूँ. Another one is मुझे आपसे मोहब्बत है. मोहब्बत is love. मोहब्बत. मुझे आपसे मोहब्बत है. I have love with you or for you. मुझे I have आपसे for you मोहब्बत है. मुझे आपसे मोहब्बत है. I have love for you. Obviously, this is a bit of a stretch in a literal translation. Basically, what it means is I love you. मुझे आपसे मोहब्बत है. Another kind of love, which is unconditional love, is ishq. Ishq. So in Urdu, there are so many different words for love, and there are so many levels of love. So here, ishq is an unconditional love. So मुझे आपसे इश्क है और मुझे तुमसे इश्क है. Both of the genders can say that. I have deep unconditional love for you. मुझे आपसे इश्क है. मुझे आपसे इश्क है. My job is very heartwarming because most of the time I'm teaching people Urdu to talk to their loved ones. So I find it very, very sweet. Where are you guys from? आप लोग कहाँ से हैं? Let me know in the comment section and I'll see you later. Have a good day. Goodbye.